Hello, and welcome to Docens Digitalis TV, the channel where you'll learn all the basic vocabulary you need to confidently navigate laws and politics in English, especially in the United States. If you're just starting to learn political vocabulary, you're in the right place. Today, we'll go over common political English words for beginners, explained in a simple and practical way. In today's video, we'll cover common political English words for beginners. These essential terms will help you understand political discussions, follow the news, and express your opinions about government and society. Let's get started. First, let's define politics. Politics refers to the activities and decisions that shape how a country or community is governed. It includes laws, elections, and government policies. Another key term is government. A government is the system or group of people that makes and enforces laws. In a democracy, people elect leaders to represent them. Next is election. An election is the process where citizens vote to choose political leaders, such as a president, governor, or mayor. You might also hear candidate. A candidate is a person running for a political office. Candidates campaign to gain support from voters. Another important term is political party. A political party is a group of people with shared beliefs who work together to influence government policies and win elections. Let's talk about democracy. Democracy is a system of government where people have the power to vote and choose their leaders. It is based on principles like freedom and equality. Another key term is legislation. Legislation refers to the laws created and passed by a government. Lawmakers introduce legislation to solve problems or improve policies. Next is public policy. Public policy refers to the rules and actions taken by governments to address social issues like healthcare, education, and the economy. You'll also hear about debate. A debate is a formal discussion where people express different opinions on political topics, often used in elections and government meetings. Finally, let's discuss rights. Rights are the freedoms and protections that all people have under the law, such as freedom of speech, the right to vote, and equal treatment. By learning these essential political terms, you'll be better prepared to follow political discussions, understand government actions, and express your opinions with confidence. The more you practice, the more natural these terms will feel. If this video was helpful, please support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with others, and subscribing to Docens Digitalis TV. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for learners like you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.